Hello students, today we'll be answering question number 90 from the WBCS 2019 question paper. So in this question it has been asked that the Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded by. The options that are given are C.F. Andrews, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Sir William Jones and William Marshall. So these are options that have been given. So now this Asiatic Society of Bengal, this was founded by the civil servant. So he was basically the founder, it was basically a civil servant, and that civil servant was none other than Sir William Jones. So Sir William Jones founded this society, and this was initially known as the Asiatic Society. Initially it was known by this name, and later on this K name was removed and it was only known as the Asiatic Society. And then it was again renowned and it became Asiatic Society of Bengal. Later on again it was renamed and it became Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal, and then finally it was again changed, and then we have this present form, which is the Asiatic Society of Bengal. So this was the story. Now this society was formed on 15 January 1784, and this society, basically the intention of this society was to help in the study of the various oriental aspect of the oriental research and all those stuff. So that was the main motive behind setting up this society. So as you can see, so after getting through all this, the Asiatic Society of Bengal, the question answer that we need to find out is given thereby in option C. In option C, Sir William Jones. So Sir William Jones founded out this society, the Asiatic Society of Bengal. It was founded in 15 January 1784, in the year 1784, and it was Sir William Jones was basically a civil servant.